Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Ghost Leviathan egg. First, you'll need to venture into the Lost River biome, a truly deep and mysterious area of the ocean. Specifically, head towards the Ghost Forest section, recognizable by its large, glowing blue flora. The egg is typically nestled close to these impressive ancient trees, often at depths exceeding 800 meters. Before you embark, proper preparation is key. A reinforced dive suit is crucial for surviving the immense pressure at these depths. You'll also want a sea moth or prawn suit, both excellent choices for traversing the treacherous terrain and providing protection. Don't forget your scanner to pinpoint the egg's exact location and gather valuable data. Make sure your vehicle has plenty of power. Now let's move on to division. Begin by aligning the divisor, which is the number you are dividing by, on the C scale with the dividend, the number being divided on the D scale. Then, locate the one on the C scale. The quotient or your answer will be found on the D scale, directly beneath that one. For example, to divide 8 by 4, align 4 on C with 8 on D, then find 1 on C to see 2 on D. Congratulations, you have the egg. Now, to hatch it, simply place it inside an alien containment unit within your underwater base. Ensure the unit is powered and has enough space. The egg will incubate naturally over approximately 3 in-game days. Once hatched, you'll have a juvenile Ghost Leviathan, a fascinating and surprisingly docile creature to observe in your aquarium.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.